Hey y'all, it's Wednesday, midway through my first week of winter break, and I haven't done much gardening because it's been overcast, rainy, and cold the whole time. But I do want to pop in and let you know that we have some serious cold coming our way for Christmas. And it's wavering on freezing or just right at freezing. So I'm already prepping. Gonna move like as much stuff in my greenhouse as I can, and then I'll bring some plants in here in the garden room. But I'm also bringing in every caterpillar I can find because they will not thrive well in those kinds of temperatures. I also went out to my brother's, who has the 33 acres, and well, first of all, I needed some cow manure for an upcoming video I'm doing. But while I was out there, I went out to the part of his yard that has a little milkweed patch, and I got all the caterpillars I could find and brought them home too. And it'll be interesting. I've got them all in their own little enclosure, and that way I can see how they eclose and, just see what's going on out there in the ones that are just left to nature and see, are they going to come out OE free and anyway, so that's what's going on. So I currently have 4 enclosures with caterpillars. And then this last one, these are the ones I brought from my brother's. I took some cuttings. It is tropical milkweed he's got growing out there. And that's my dog jumping at the door, wanting to go back in. She doesn't like the cold. So these guys will just stay in here, and hopefully they'll eclose as beautiful butterflies. It's interesting that his little patch of milkweed out there is always the same, because you think, tropical milkweed, oh, it's invasive, but really it's the same number of plants. Like, this is like my 3rd year going out, and there's no more and no less tropical milkweed plants. They're just kind of one here and one there, and they do support monarch caterpillar population. So there's that. So you guys, it's so dismal and gray out here in my garden, and I just can't believe that there's like freezing cold weather coming. But we're gonna be okay. We're gonna be okay. So I'm gonna come check my giant milkweed plants and my balloon milkweed plants, see if I can find any more caterpillars to bring in. And I'm not going to start cramming all my plants into my little greenhouse until I know better if it's actually predicted to freeze, because we're still a couple days out from it. So I'm going to wait for that. So probably like Friday morning, maybe I'll start moving them in, because I think Friday night's our first night. We're supposed to be super cold. Like, even the wind right now is blowing, and you just feel the coolness. It's just yucky. Oh, and if any monarch butterflies eclose from now until after we get through this cold, they're staying in. I'll set up a cut flower enclosure for them to hang out in until it's going to be warm again. See, here's a little Gulf fritillary, so I'll bring him in. Well, I didn't find any more monarch caterpillars, but my daughter and I have been out every day looking for them, so I didn't expect to find any, but always do that once again, check. So I'll bring in that little Gulf fritillary, and I'll keep checking up till the cold comes through. So when the cold weather hits, all the caterpillars will go in the house. The chrysalides, the overwintering swallowtails will go in the house. Any monarchs that I have eclosed will go in the house. And then some of the plants, the potted plants, will come in here. We'll just ride it out. We'll have a great Christmas and Christmas Eve. And hopefully next week it'll be warm, blue sky and sunshine. Somebody needs to tell the weather people that this is Florida. Hey y'all, a blast of cold air is coming from the north. We're gonna have 2 nights of freezing temperatures, so we're gonna be moving some plants into the greenhouse. Moving in all my blanket flowers that I have ready to deliver to the nectary. Okay, everybody's tucked in. I'm gonna get my hose and mist everything. Give it a nice good drink because the damp soil will help keep the plant warmer. And hopefully they'll come through fabulously. It's gonna happen. They are gonna come through fabulously. And now I'm moving plants into my garden room, like my gorgeous balloon milkweed. And if there happen to be any caterpillars on it, well, they'll be all right. Now I'm going to go take cuttings of tons and tons of pentas and put them in vases, so I'll have them in case they all freeze back. All of these gorgeous tall porter weeds down behind me, I'm going to cut down real low, and then I can cover them for the freeze and keep the cover close to the ground to hold in the heat, and hopefully they won't die completely like they did last year, and they'll come back. Now you can see everything's cut down lower, and so I'm going to go get my frost cover and go ahead and cover this whole section now. I'm also going to extend the cover up to cover up my swamp milkweed area. Y'all, it's just so crazy to me to see all this because it's warm. It's in the 60s right now. There's a monarch butterfly flying around that is absolutely gorgeous. It's a male. And anyway, the temperatures are going to start dropping. Like tomorrow morning will be our high. It's just going to drop all day. And I think I'm going to try and catch that butterfly and take it in. I've got my huge enclosure inside that has all of the swallowtail chrysalides in it. And I put my cut pentas in there so it can just hang out in there as opposed to being out here and freezing. So I'm gonna let it enjoy flying around my garden until I'm done working, and then I'll try and catch it and move it in. It's just having the best time. It's just flying all over the place, but it's really young, so I know it has some good life left in it, and I want to try and extend that life beyond this weekend. All right, so potted plants are in. Greenhouse is zipped up tight, and everyone's tucked in for a couple of long winter's nights. This is not the kind of white Christmas I would be dreaming of. So I will still come out tomorrow morning and probably cover a few more things. I have some sheets and other old blankets and things I can cover some other plants with. And then the temperatures are just going to start dropping, and I'm going to Disney World. Now I'm going to go move the caterpillars in, get them all settled in, try and catch that monarch butterfly that's flying around out here, and that'll be that. So, in the meantime, while we're making our way through this cold spell that's coming our way, I hope you guys have the most incredible Christmas and holiday and good times with family and friends. And I'll see you on the other side of this freeze and let you know what happened. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Tap the like button if you enjoyed this video and say hello to me in the comments. Merry Christmas!